Everyone thinks company towns were just where workers lived. They were actually prisons disguised as paychecks. A company town wasn't a neighborhood, it was a closed loop. The employer owned the houses, the stores, the schools, even the saloon. Workers didn't just work for the company. They rented from the company, bought groceries from the company store, and owed their entire existence to a single boss. Sounds like a bad deal. It was. Exhibit 1, the Pullman Company in Illinois, 1880s. George Pullman built railroad cars and built a town to house his workers. He controlled rent, food prices, everything. Workers earned wages, but those wages flowed right back into Pullman's pocket through rent and marked up groceries. The company made money twice, once paying you, once taking it back. Exhibit 2, coal mining towns in Appalachia and Pennsylvania. Miners were paid in company scrip, not real money, but tokens only redeemable at the company store. A loaf of bread that cost a nickel elsewhere cost 3 times as much in the scrip economy. Debt spiraled. Families stayed trapped for generations, unable to leave because they owed more than they earned. Why did this model exist? Simple economics from the employer's view. Labor was cheap, land was cheap. If you controlled housing and retail, you captured profit at every stage. Workers had nowhere else to go, literally. Leaving meant losing your home and your job simultaneously. The system was airtight. But here's where it fell apart. Exhibit 3, the 1920s onward. Labor organizing exploded. Workers demanded real wages. The Pullman strike of 1894 turned violent. Public opinion shifted. Laws changed. Minimum wage rules, housing regulations, and antitrust enforcement made the company town model impossible to sustain legally and politically. The final nail, suburbs and car culture. Once workers could live anywhere and commute, the geographic lock dissolved. You didn't need your employer's housing. You didn't need their store. The entire model depended on isolation. Remove isolation and the model vanishes. So the claim holds, company towns weren't communities. They were economic traps that only worked because workers had zero alternatives. The model required isolation, debt, and powerlessness. The moment those conditions cracked, the whole system collapsed. Understanding this history matters because similar dynamics still echo today, just in different forms. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe to keep exploring how housing and labor economics shaped and continue to shape where we live and what we pay. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.